Okay, so here I'm at my friend's house. Ricardo, what are you doing? Were you trying to do Call of Duty ripples on me? You're trying to sneak up and grab that gun? Were you trying to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So like here we have Ricardo's vicious ass brother. Okay. Alright, get your gun away. I'm not going to be bitten. Okay, can you hold the camera? Or just do it. It doesn't matter if I come in, just try to get my finger in, okay? You got the finger scene? Ricardo?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good.
This bird's vicious.
Yeah, I remember seeing one at PetSmart. It wasn't even vicious, it just tried to put your finger in its mouth.
What's up?
Crap. Oh my god. Dude, no. It's gonna bite my phone. It's gonna bite my phone. Okay. Okay, you can end it.